Hey, what's up guys? Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com. Go there, check out my Quick Connect Periscope. Takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer back straight into it every time. Here we go again on another patio home. I don't know what's up, but I love it, man. Great little neighborhood, single story homes built on a slab. All the vents go up to the roof. So I got to get my toys back down. And I got to get my stand too for this camera. Stick with me, be right back. All right, got everything down, and you guys have to see this. Now, I have the dryer running. Ah, that darn sun. See if I can get it. Look at that. That dryer is trying its best. All right, I'm gonna set up. I'll be right back. All right, let's try to clean out this dryer vent. Oh my gosh. Dude. This one is, holy moly. Says they had it cleaned out 2 years ago. Oh. Man, oh man. Man, I got to do this before I can even start on the rest. Jeez, man. Yeah, I'll get up what I can up here. This is gonna be a, whew, there's nothing. I want to take this time to say, a lot of people comment on my brush, all right? You can reach out to me in the comments and I'll let you know where I get the brush. If you were using the segmented 2 foot, 24 inch pieces for a dryer vent cleaning system, there's no way it's gonna go into this damper and then immediately shoot straight down. Not gonna happen. There's not as much in this vent as I was expecting. But I'm gonna finish running the brush through and we'll go from there. What I'm doing right now is I'm guiding the brush down into the actual duct going into the attic. Now I'm going to reverse the drill. If you're using those 24-inch pieces, you better not reverse the drill because it'll come apart one of those segments, and then somebody like me gets to come out and retrieve the brush for you. So All right, so on the inside of this one, guys, it literally just dropped straight down. My brush was even into the flex hose behind the dryer. A repair technician for the dryer was just out, or not, it was a handyman, I apologize. But he already went through the flex hose behind the dryer, so nothing really to see there. But remember, guys, clean these dryer vents. If it goes up through the roof, look up, pay attention, especially if it's a one-story house. You got a one-story house, really no excuse you can't look up when you're walking by. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Again, check out my Periscope, guys. It's phenomenal.